Hi, my name is Alana Kavanaugh, and I am currently live at the National Convention for Sigma Theta Tau, the National Honor Society of Nursing. And so we are having our 100th celebration for the Sigma Theta Tau convention. And here I'm sharing some photos with you of the experiences we've had this week with the various members. So if you don't know Sigma Theta Tau, it is a national honor society where students are inducted based on several criteria. Typically, it's based on being really an honors amongst your class and colleagues. And so I wanted to send out this video because very soon I will be sharing a planetary session where we can discuss how you become a member of Sigma Theta Tau. So the College of Mount St. Vincent has a chapter called Eta Sigma. It has been functioning for about 20 years or so, and Sigma is actually 100 years old. And so we have many members across various years, and we'd like to keep our members engaged in these sessions and have them come back and really share their experiences. And so I'm just sharing a few photos of the planetary session that occurred this past week, and that is what planned me to send this video. So if you're interested at all in being a Sigma Theta Tau National Honors member, I will be having a session about getting to know Sigma for both the faculty and the students. And so I just wanted to send this out so that you kind of have a highlight of the different things that occurred during this week while I was here in Indianapolis. And you can see all the various people that got together for the first time in many years, right? In 2 years or so since we've had this last event. And so you can see what has been going on. So more information to be shared soon, but I wanted to share some of the photos from this past event. Enjoy!